Motorola Edge Plus smartphone was launched on the 22nd of April 2020. The phone comes with a 6.70-inch touchscreen display and an aspect ratio of 21:9. Motorola Edge Plus is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It comes with 12 GB of RAM. The Motorola Edge Plus runs Android 10 and is powered by a 5000 MHz non-removable battery. The Motorola Edge Plus supports wireless charging, as well as proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Motorola Edge Plus on the rear packs a 108-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8 micron, a second 16-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.0 micron, and a third 8-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1.0 micron. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 25-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an f2.0 aperture and a pixel size of 0.9 micron. Motorola Edge Plus based on Android 10 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The Motorola Edge Plus is a single SIM smartphone that accepts a nano SIM card. The Motorola Edge Plus measures 161.10 by 71.40 by 9.60 mm and weighs 203.00 grams. It was launched in smoky sangria and thunder gray colors. It features an IP54 rating for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the Motorola Edge Plus include Wi-Fi 802.11a b per gram, N, AC, yes, GPS, Bluetooth V5.10, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G. Sensors on the phone include accelerator, ambient light sensor, barometer, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. The Motorola Edge Plus supports Face Unlock.